Hello guys, in today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to add a sound effect on your video using VN Editor. First you need to open your VN Editor and then use the video that and then you can add the video that you want to edit, and after that you need to open the project and then you need to find the timing where you want to add the sound effect. For example, I would like to put it on this frame, and click the music symbol here, click it and then click the effect. And for example, I want to use the cartoon effect here, then click it, and there's plenty of choice, but I will try to use this comical metal gong. Then click use, and after that we can see the result here. There you go. And that's the way how to add a sound effect on your video using VN CapCut. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you.